Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a low brightness issue on your iPhone and iPad after before iOS update, then do the following step to get rid of this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first and basic method is we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on accessibility and tap on zoom and turn off zoom if it's turned on. Then go back to accessibility and tap on display and text size. Scroll. You can adjust the low brightness by this bar under reduce white point or disable this option. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then settings, journal, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, reset all settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.